I don't know if she'll make it, but I'll get her some liquid, okay?
She hit the window. Can't see very well, but you could probably hear. This little hummingbird hit the window. It's a female. And her mate and another female were just here, and the mate is still here. They're really worried about her. That's him beeping up there. You can hear him. I don't know if she's gonna make it or not. She looks really tired, really dazed. She just got up. She's sitting on my hand right now. And the only reason I think she was actually laying down was because there were 2 pieces of wood on her feet that were preventing her from standing, because when she hit the window she was still clutching them. And I think she might still be clutching the other one, I don't know. Or no, wait, no, she's not. She dropped it. So now she's just sitting up on my hand here. I think she's gonna be okay.